Sore muscles, tight muscles, you're gonna wanna see this. What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. In this video, I got the Urikar Pro 1 massage gun. There are 3 massage modes. There is a heating massage, a rotatable handle, 10 plus hours of runtime, 8 massage heads, and it's high frequency. The battery inside is a 2600 milliamp battery. The rated power is 30 through 65 W, and the size is gonna be 10.55 inches by 11.5 inches by 3.66 inches with a rated power of 100 through 240 volts. Guys, just like all of my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below the video is gonna be this exact same link for this massage gun. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. Before we do get it out of the box, why don't you go ahead and right below the video, you see that thumbs up button right there, that like button? Go ahead and Thor hammer, hit that, and let's get this out of the box. Colorful box, I'll definitely give it to them right there. I haven't seen a box like that before. Let's get it on out. You do have a nice nylon case here as well, with the logo up here, zippers go all the way around, and a carrying case there. Let's go ahead and open this up, because that's what we've come here for. And opening it on up here, we have our manuals, our massage heads here, that have our little slots here. We're gonna get to those in just a second here. Definitely read the manual if you wanna go ahead and use the specific massage heads for your specific regions. I typically go with certain massage heads because of boxing and kickboxing classes, but you guys might be experiencing different pain in certain areas. So look that over. You have, again, 8 massage heads. You are covered. Inside the little flap right here is going to be your charging cable. You definitely want to fully charge it before you do run it for the first time. Let's go ahead and run through our massage heads here. Here is our heated massage accessory here, as we can see there. This one is going to be your kind of a U-shaped one there. This one's going to be more of a slightly rounded with some notches in there. Next up, we're going to have more of a wedge one there. We have the bullet one to be able to pierce through, of course, your muscle groups. And then one of my favorites here is a very slight give to it. This is more of like a felt type of a tennis ball head to it here. Just a slight give to it. And the last two, this one is going to have a give to it with some heads right up here like that. And so it's almost like going to be like a plunger type of a thing. And this one here is going to be 3 smaller felt balls with a little bit of a give to them as well. And of course, they just attach on, and we'll show you that, of course. And let's go ahead and pick up the massage gun here. Now here is your little scroll dial, and that heating in Fahrenheit is going to be 104 through 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is your mode button right there to switch those. You do have some more motor ventilation down here at the bottom as well. Okay, let's go ahead and show you now how to put in your accessory. Simply just go ahead, and what I do is I hold it like this and like this. Just push in like that. No need to overdo it. Just pushing in with both your hands like that, and we are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on the charger, and let's get this guy running. And when you are done charging, the green LED light stays lit solid. Go ahead and unplug that guy right there. Go ahead and get your massaging going. Well, guys, this is pretty much what it looks like after the gym, watching my 125-inch screen, which you can't see. I'm sitting in the chair right here, and the speaker is right over here to this side right here. I got my massage gun, and it was cold the other night, and I really enjoyed the heating attachment. Again, it's not too hot, but I believe it's about 104 through about 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not going to be hot, it's going to be subtle. But that was nice to be able to get my lower legs right here and be able to work my shoulders as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more features here in just a second. But to be honest with you, I wasn't going that high on the motor level. It's very powerful. I was literally staying on level 1, if not maximum 2. So if you like a hard, I'm talking about very powerful, this massage gun is definitely for you. Again, I was on level 1 with constant. We have 5 more levels to go, so there's plenty of power for you. Again, the switchover handle is nice, but I found myself mostly using this for my back and my legs in that position, but it definitely gives you another option as well. The heat, once again, was very nice. Let me go ahead and show you a really key feature, which is interesting. I haven't seen this before on a massage gun. As you can see here, it is lit green, right? Well, I turned it on, that's level 2, but it's not going, right? Because this is grip sensitive. Where it begins to massage, if your hand is on the handle, so that the battery, and then it stops. So if you let go, kind of almost like a safety precaution there. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and hold this, let go of the handle. It stops. So that's really interesting. And that is, I guess, a triple security feature. You do have the on and off button down here as well, so that it wouldn't accidentally turn on if that switch is done. So once you turn on this switch, it lights up the different LED indicator lights down below. And then you go ahead and grab the handle, and then you go ahead and turn it on there. Now that is, once again, the heated one there. Now, something I do want to show you as well, make sure that you're inserting the heated one correctly with the golden prongs and this little notch at the top to that little notch at the top there, pressing that in so that you do get heat to the accessory. Now let's go ahead and show you this accessory head right there, which is really sweet. And we'll go ahead and get into that there. Yep, that's beating it up real good. How it's going a nice, yep, there we go. So it's not just going 1, it's going 3 here. Getting those shoulders. Let's see, I'm on level 1 right now, and that's plenty of power for me. Of course, you can go harder if you want as well. If you're really lean, you do have to be careful of your bones sometimes. It can kind of get jumpy if it starts hitting some bones. But as you're coming around your shoulders, right here, being able to pulsate in your muscles. Now this attachment is obviously great for your legs as well. Getting your calf muscles, obviously the tops of your legs right here. And what's nice is that accessory, again, is spread out like that. I haven't reviewed a massage gun that has this type of accessory to it, so that is cool. It has a couple of really cool features with the heat and then this accessory head as well. So definitely some different ones to play around with. Go ahead and slide that out of the way as we're getting my back here. And again, you can play around with the handle. I've just switched over the handle to the other position, if that feels better. Working your back so that it is nice to be able to get a few different options there as we're hitting my lower back. Going into my mid back. And then if you were gonna work your upper back, I would probably switch the handle back, being able to get over my shoulder area here, working down my back here. Well, it definitely has some sweet features to it that we have looked at. The handle does take some time to get used to, especially if you're trading off hands, because it can stop on you. But once you grip it again, or if you just kind of switch over like this, you'll be okay. But the handle does, with that safety feature, it might throw you for a loop for a little bit. It just takes a little bit to get used to. I like the accessory heads of this one and the heated one as well. And your other ones are your more common ones as well. Very powerful if you like a powered one as well, not to mention the swivel hand as well. And I also like this accessory head as well, the plunger one, type one like that. That also is nice to be able to just give a little bit of a give to it, especially for your certain muscles. Some of those hard plastic ones sometimes can be a little bit too hard, but these accessory heads are nice, being able to give a little bit of comfort while it is massaging, if that makes any sense. If you want to read more about it, get your hands on one yourself. If I missed any details in the video, right below the video in the description box, again, is going to be this exact same massage gun. Pick one up yourself if you're intrigued. But guys, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and you want to grab it, grab away, purchase away. Again, that link will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on the way out. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate that. Also, subscribe on your way out. We'll see you guys on the next video. My name is Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.